All right, let's enter my greenhouse. Let's go in here. I showed you guys this, excuse me, showed you guys this a while before, but now it's filled with tomato plants that are producing tomatoes, which looks great. If they're not, they got a lot of flowers on them, so they will produce tomatoes. And I've been slowly chipping away at some of these tomato leaves and eating them as the tomato plant grows. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt the tomato plant or anything. It's good for you. A lot of people don't know that you can actually eat tomato leaves, but you can. Let's come over here. And this is a little lemon tree that my grandfather's been growing for a couple years. And finally, it's actually making lemons. So last year we had a couple, but they weren't that great. This year there's lots. So they start out as little flowers like this. And then if you come down here, whoop, those flowers fall off and they become little lemons. And they start out as green, but they're not limes. There's lots of peppers in the background, eggplant, zucchini. There's herbs hanging all over the place. You can kind of see. These are different tomato plants, cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, what have you. Stuff that my wife brought home from work, actually. She works at a plant nursery. Here's some zucchinis. Those are cool. There's the peppers back here, as you can see. But yeah, it's looking a lot different. I think the last time I came in here, there was just pots that were like ready to be planted, or pots that were ready to have plants in them. But now it's yeah, everywhere you look, it's green. It's a small space, so it's kind of hard to film, but hopefully you guys see what I'm seeing. If you're curious, this is a heater. So in the winter when we're trying to grow something and it's snowing and it's really cold, we throw that baby on and the heat heats up the bricks. Then the bricks slowly release the heat into the greenhouse. That way nothing in here actually ever freezes. And we can still grow some stuff during the winter. It's just a cheap method. There's like a space heater in there. It's like one of those oil space heaters. And yeah. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you enjoyed.